Evening folks, we're just leaving Lincoln Hill in Ironbridge. We're just going up Lodge Lane towards the Lodge Field Nature Reserve. Also the Beaches Wildlife Site is up at the top of this lane, but we're only going part the way up to the lodge. It's Wednesday the 22nd of May 2019 and I've got Diane and I've got Sally. Right, here we go. Round to the left takes her up to the Beaches Field and we're going straight up towards this gate with a kissing gate at the side of it. It'll just be a short video. I can't remember. Oh, excuse me, just banged into the gate. There you go. Get yourself along to the community picnic. And there's a bit of information on it there. Right, we're going straight ahead. To the right hand side of me, in the distance, you can see Benfield Edge and the power station. Beautiful night tonight. And up on the bank to the left of me, you can see the lodge house, which is now, I think, 3 houses. There's an old mine shaft over the other side of the field, down below us. And well, I'll be showing you that in the video anyway. But comes up on the old maps as the lodge pit. I'm just wondering if the people who ran the pit, own the pit, whatever you want to call it, lived in that house up there at the time. All sorts of different wildlife around here. You'll have to excuse me, the dogs are pulling a bit. You'd never think they'd been walked. You'd never think they'd been walked. You know, they're like a pair of loonies when they get together at times. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute. Right, we're back. I've loosed the loonies off the lead. Give them a bit of a run. Loads of buttercups. Right, there's 3 ways in and 3 ways out of this place. The one where we came, and just down here can see the gate down in front. That's the second way out and in. That takes you on to Ironbridge. Right, we aren't going that way anyway, we're going to go to the right, down towards the mine shaft. I'll bring you back in a minute. Right, we're back. To the left hand side of us, through the trees there, you can just see them. You've got the houses which are built on the car park of the old pub, the Crown, on Ironbridge. Right, and as you walk down here, as you can see, you'll have to excuse the sun. I can't see a thing now. Right, but in front of us, you can see the old mine shaft, pit shaft, whatever you want to call it. Right then, as you can see, it's all fenced off for safety, and around the other side, like you saw, the kids have to go and break the fence. As you can see through the trees there, you can see the old Crown pub, which is being converted into accommodation of some sort. And in the distance you can see Broseley. This area here is where they have the picnic, as you're seeing on the poster on the notice board. The sun's a bit low in the sky, so I hope you're not getting too dazzled. Right, and as we go down the bank here, we're going to go down towards the right, but if you go down to the left, not sure if you can see it, there you go, there is the third entrance and exit. That also takes you on to Ironbridge. Little bit of a pond. Right then, that's basically our lap of the lodge nature reserve done. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute or so when we get to the top of the slope, and I'll just give you a 360 view from up the top of the bank. See you in a minute. Right then folks, we're nearly at the top now. There's only one suggestion that I'd make to the people who look after this place, is the top of this bank here could do with a set of steps really, because in the winter it gets a bit slippy. Right, in front of us is the way we came in. That's a better view of the lodge house. Right, spin you around slowly, looking over towards Broseley. There's Oddsbower down in the dip. There's Benfell Edge, and looking down towards the power station. And that's the 360 view. Right. Oh, and the other thing is, I would suggest there's two benches down there. There's one here. There's one over the far side, but I think they could do with another one over there, to be honest. I don't need them, but the older folk do. Not a complaint, just a suggestion. Right, we're walking up to the same way we came in to, and we're going out. Bit of a pointless gate in the middle of nowhere. The good thing is though, across here, on each exit, an entry, there's 3 poop bags, so you can clean up after your dog. Right then, that's Sally, and there's Diane, and I'll bid you all farewell for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.